Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to add friends in Racing Kingdom. If you want to race with your friends in Racing Kingdom, then here is how you can first add them in just a few simple taps. First of all, launch open the Racing Kingdom application on your device. Once you are in this main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the two human icons at the top right corner. This will open up the Friends tab. Go to the left hand side and tap on Add. Now from the Add tab, you can go ahead and send friend request in the suggested list of people. To do so, tap the Add button right next to their contact. You can repeat this process for every other contact you'd like to send the request to, and once they accept your friend request, they'll be added as your friend in the game. If you want to manually type in the name of a friend and add them as your friend, go to the search box at the top where it says enter friend ID or name. Type in the name of your friend, or you can also enter their player ID. After typing down the name, tap on the search icon at the top right, and in the search result, tap on the add button right next to their name, and that way you will be able to send the friend request to the person. Once they accept your request, you will then be able to connect and ready to race together. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.